You think it's easy, you think I don't wanna run to you, yeah. But there are mountains, and there are doors that we can walk through. I know you're wondering why, because we're able to be just you and me within this wall. But when we go outside, you're gonna wake up and see that it was hopeless after all. No, I can't rewind the stars. How can you say you didn't mind? Everything keeps us apart, and I'm not the one you were meant to find. It's not up to you, it's not up to me, yeah. When everyone tells us what we can be, and how can we rewind the stars? Say that the world can be ours tonight.